what's on the picture? Let me see it. It's got part of the blue on it. So what part would need blue on it?
It's got blue too.
Yep.
Hey, that was good. Oh yeah.
Is there another piece? Are we missing one? Oh, Ryan's got it. Did you do it? Yay! Clap for yourselves. That was easy. Piece of
Cake.
Piece of cake. Right?
Can do it.
Good job, guys. That's a 100-piece puzzle.
It's like that box.
Yep, it's like the box up there. Piece of cake, right?
Yeah.
Good job, guys.
We did